What's up guys, this is Sayut and I am here at Oneplus event, and this is the new Oneplus TV. The model we are viewing is Q1 Pro, and the difference between the Pro and the regular model is this soundbar, which you get in Q1 Pro but not in Q1. Apart from this, the quality of the display is pretty good, but the coolest feature of this TV is this pop-up soundbar, which looks damn cool. The interface is pretty much regular Android TV UI and you get bunch of major streaming apps, but there is no Netflix right now and we don't know when it will be available or maybe not. There is Oneplus Play app, which is just like Patchwall app you have seen in MITVs. The look and feel of the remote is pretty nice and premium, and there is a dedicated button for Prime Video also. And there is an app to control your TV via your smartphone. Now let's talk about some of the things which I didn't like in this TV. First is there is no Netflix app right now in this TV, and considering that there is no dedicated button for Netflix, I highly doubt it will receive the update soon. Second is the soundbar. Yes, the same soundbar which is looking so damn good, and it is a premium feature of this TV. But the performance of this soundbar is not that great. I'm not saying that it is bad. In fact, it is way better than any other regular TV sound system. You can easily get a better sound output and quality with any other external soundbar. So in my opinion, if you are looking for a premium 4K TV, then you should consider Oneplus Q1 for you, not Q1 Pro, because spending 30,000 on this inbuilt soundbar is surely not worth it. So that's it guys, this is Sayuk and you are watching Up. See you next video, bye bye.